Can you handle 52 mythical mask challenges as they go from easy to impossible? Only a genius clears the final round. Which ancient civilization famously used these theatrical masks to represent comedy and tragedy? Is it A, ancient Greece, B, ancient Egypt, or C, ancient Maya? It's A, ancient Greece. They used organic masks in large amphitheaters. Which jackal-headed Egyptian god of embalming is depicted by this ceremonial mask? Is it A, Osiris, B, Anubis, or C, Horus? It's B, Anubis. Priests wore it during mummification rituals. This famous golden mask belongs to which boy king of ancient Egypt? Is it A, King Tutankhamun, B, Ramses II, or C, Akhenaten? It's A, King Tutankhamun. It guided his soul in the afterlife. In which European city would you attend a masquerade festival wearing this elegant style of mask? Is it A, Paris, B, Venice, or C, London? It's B, Venice. These masks bypassed social classes during Carnival. This red-faced, horned demon mask represents an oni in the folklore of which country? Is it A, Japan, B, India, or C, Egypt? It's A, Japan. Oni masks represent horned ogres in theater. This stunning green jade mask was created by which ancient Mesoamerican civilization? Is it A, the Romans, B, the Vikings, or C, the Maya? It's C, the Maya. They crafted jade masks for elite rulers. Which festive creature's head mask is used in this traditional Chinese New Year dance? Is it A, lion, B, eagle, or C, monkey? It's A, lion. It brings good luck and scares spirits. This stylized white mask is traditionally worn by actors in which classical Japanese drama? Is it A, kabuki, B, no, or C, bunraku? It's B, no. These cypress wood masks convey deep emotions. This colorful, mythical, lion-like creature mask represents which protective spirit of Bali? Is it A, Barong, B, Garuda, or C, Kappa? It's A, Barong. He is the Balinese king of spirits. This colorful mosaic mask made of turquoise tiles was crafted by which empire? Is it A, Inca, B, Aztec, or C, Greek? It's B, Aztec. They represented powerful gods with turquoise. These stylized wooden masks are traditional spiritual artifacts from which continent? Is it A, Europe, B, Africa, or C, Australia? It's B, Africa. Hand-carved masks connect with ancestral spirits. This mischievous masked character with a diamond-patterned suit belongs to which Italian theater style? Is it A, commedia dell'arte, B, vaudeville, or C, grand guignol? It's A, commedia dell'arte. Harlequin wears this leather half-mask. Which cat-headed goddess from ancient Egypt is represented by this style of mask? Is it A, Isis, B, Sekhmet, or C, Bastet? It's C, Bastet. She was the goddess of home protection. Which Greek god of wine, theater, and ritual madness is most closely associated with masks? Is it A, Apollo, B, Dionysus, or C, Hermes? It's B, Dionysus. Followers wore masks during wild rituals. This long-nosed red mask belongs to which mythical forest protector from Japanese folklore? Is it A, Tengu, B, Kitsune, or C, Kappa? It's A, Tengu! They are legendary mountain protectors. This ancient bronze mask with bulging eyes represents which legendary Mesoamerican feathered serpent god? Is it A, Inti, B, Quetzalcoatl, or C, Chac? It's B, Quetzalcoatl. He represents wind and wisdom. What is the name of this classic Venetian mask, characterized by a simple white design and no mouth hole? Is it A, Bauta, B, Colombina, or C, Volto? It's A, Bauta! Its unique design preserves total anonymity. This traditional mask from Sri Lankan folklore is used in rituals to cure what? Is it A, diseases, B, bad weather, or C, poor crops? It's A, diseases. Exorcism dances use them to cure illnesses. These circular Roman stone medallions of mythical faces, which hung in trees to sway in the wind, are called what? Is it A, bulla, B, larvae, or C, oxylla? It's C, oxylla. They protected crops and brought fortune. These colorful spiritual doll masks created by the Hopi people are called what? Is it A, kachina, B, totem, or C, tiki? It's A, kachina. They represent powerful ancestral spirits. What is the name of this traditional Korean mask dance drama that features expressive wooden masks? Is it A, kabuki, B, talchum, or C, kathakali? It's B, talchum. It combines music, dance, and satire. Which half-goat, half-man mythical follower of Dionysus is depicted by this horned Greek mask? Is it A, satyr, B, centaur, or C, minotaur? It's A, satyr. These wild spirits wore goat horns. This highly stylized facial painting method in Chinese opera, acting as a living mask, is called what? Is it A, kabuki paint, B, lianpu, or C, maiko paint? It's B, lianpu. It symbolizes a character's personality. This wooden mask with real antlers represents which Celtic horn deity of the wild forest? Is it A, Lu, B, Brigid, or C, Cernunnos? It's C, Cernunnos. He is the Celtic god of wilds. Which Mesoamerican city is famous for its colossal stone mask carvings of rain and water spirits? Is it A, Teotihuacan, B, Rome, or C, Athens? It's A, Teotihuacan. They produced distinct, serene stone masks. In ancient Rome, actors wore masks called larvae to portray what kind of supernatural entities? Is it A, gods of Olympus, B, forest nymphs, or C, malevolent ghosts? It's C, malevolent ghosts. These masks represented restless spirits. This famous golden funerary mask from Greece is named after which legendary Mycenaean king? Is it A, King Agamemnon, B, King Priam, or C, King Minos? It's A, King Agamemnon. It is a famous golden death mask. This horned, fanged Japanese mask represents the Hanya, which is what type of mythical character? Is it A, a protective deity, B, a jealous female demon, or C, a friendly forest spirit? It's B, a jealous female demon. She is driven by obsession. Which ancient South American empire crafted this elaborate golden mask representing the sun god Inti? Is it A, Inca, B, Aztec, or C, Maya? It's A, Inca! They honored Inti with spectacular gold. This mask represents the ancient Greek Gorgon Medusa, used as a protective symbol called what? Is it A, bulla, B, gorgoneon, or C, amulet? It's B, gorgoneon! It warded off evil in ancient Greece. These elaborate, wrathful deity masks are worn during sacred Buddhist cham dances in which mountain region? Is it A, Tibet, B, Andes, or C, Alps? It's A, Tibet. Monks wear them to purify spirits. Traditional Javanese mask dance dramas in Indonesia are known by what name? Is it A, wayang topeng, B, Noh theater, or C, kon dance? It's A, wayang topeng. Dancers perform epic heroic tales. What is the name of the spiritual life force that Pacific Northwest Native Americans believe is represented in these animal masks? Is it A, Inua, B, Yua, or C, Yake? It's C, Yake! These masks represent animal spirits. In ancient Rome, what were the wax ancestral masks called that families kept to honor their deceased relatives? Is it A, imagines, B, larvae, or C, lares? It's A, imagines. They were worn during funeral processions. This turquoise-encrusted Aztec mask represents Xuthecutli, who was the god of what? Is it A, rain, B, fire, or C, wind? It's B, fire. He was the god of fire. This small, grotesque dwarf god mask from ancient Egypt, used to ward off evil and protect children, represents whom? Is it A, Anubis, B, Osiris, or C, Bes? It's C, Bes. This friendly deity protected families. Which ancient civilization created these highly stylized, flat stone masks with geometric facial features in the Cyclades Islands? Is it A, Cycladic civilization, B, Inca Empire, or C, Etruscan civilization? It's A, Cycladic civilization. They produced minimalist marble carvings. This highly detailed golden mask of Shiva's wrathful form, used in Nepalese rituals, is known as what? Is it A, Bhairab, B, Ganesha, or C, Vishnu? It's A, Bhairab. This is a fierce manifestation of Shiva. These dual-layered opening masks used by the Kwakwaka'wakw people of the Pacific Northwest are called what? Is it A, Kachina masks, B, transformation masks, or C, Sani masks? It's B, transformation masks. Strings pull them open to reveal faces. Dating back over 9,000 years, this stone mask found in the Judean desert is famous for being what? Is it A, the oldest known mask, B, the largest gold mask, or C, the first clay mask? It's A, the oldest known mask. It dates back 9,000 years. This remarkable ancient bronze mask with massive protruding eyes was discovered at which Chinese archaeological site? Is it A, Sanxingdui, B, Terracotta Army, or C, Banpo? It's A, Sanxingdui. They feature highly exaggerated, protruding eyes. This incredibly rare golden mask belonging to King Therese I was discovered in which ancient region of Europe? Is it A, Thrace, B, Gaul, or C, Scandinavia? It's A. Thrace. The 5th century mask was found in Bulgaria. This rare, highly detailed bronze Roman cavalry parade helmet/mask of a youth was found in which English village? Is it A. Crosby Garrett, B. Stonehenge, or C. Bath? It's A. Crosby Garrett. It features a stylized male face. In Mesopotamian myth, which monstrous guardian of the cedar forest is depicted by this coiled clay mask? Is it A. Humbaba, B. Gilgamesh, or C. Enkidu? It's A. Humbaba. His mask features maze-like facial lines. These highly stylized, ancient clay masks, characterized by large eyes and hollow expressions, belong to which African culture? Is it A. Zulu, B. Noh, or C. Yoruba? It's B. Noh. They created unique terracotta heads. What is the name of the oldest known masked theater style of Japan, featuring large wooden masks like this one? Is it A. Noh, B. Bugaku, or C. Gigaku? It's C. Gigaku. It predates both Noh and Kabuki. This elaborate gold funerary mask with large dangling bat-wing-style ornaments belongs to which pre-Columbian Colombian culture? Is it A. Kalima, B. Nazca, or C. Moche? It's A. Kalima. They masterfully hammered sheet gold masks. During which ancient Greek flower festival did participants mask their faces to honor the souls of the dead? Is it A. Olympia, B. Anthesteria, or C. Panathenaea? It's B. Anthesteria. This festival welcomed back ancestral spirits. This elaborate funerary mask of a high-ranking lord, adorned with amber eyes and red paint, was crafted by which Peruvian culture? Is it A. Sican, B. Nazca, or C. Chavin? It's A. Sican. They crafted gold masks with winged eyes. In Etruscan mythology, which blue-skinned demon of the underworld is depicted by this terracotta mask? Is it A. Charon, B. Hades, or C. Anubis? It's A. Charon. He was an Etruscan guide of souls. This rare, double-faced clay mask from the Tlatilco culture of ancient Mexico represents what spiritual concept? Is it A. the sun and moon, B. life and death, or C. summer and winter? It's B. life and death. It represents Mesoamerican duality. This Roman bronze mask, representing a screaming wind god, was specifically used as a decoration on what? Is it A. Roman ships, B. gladiator shields, or C. chariot wheels? It's A. Roman ships. They decorated Emperor Caligula's giant ships. How many mythical masks did you correctly identify? Tell us your score in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes.